going to talk about how you can use GIMP to manipulate photos and images. GIMP is a free and open source image editor. You do not just use it to manipulate images, but you can also develop it to suit your own preferences if you know how to modify the source code. To download GIMP, you can simply go to www.gimp.org, and then under the download tab, you can download different versions of GIMP for different operating systems. For example, Windows, OS X, and Linux. After you download and install GIMP, the general interface of GIMP is going to look something like this. If you don't like this dark theme, you can simply go under the Edit tab, choose Preferences, and then choose the default system theme. Now you can open an image by simply going to the File tab and then choose Open to open a file. And this toolbox is going to contain all the operations that you can perform under GIMP. For example, you can use the selection tools to select something from an image. And you can use the transformation tools to resize, move, or deform a selected area. The text tool allows you to add some text to an image. And the brush tools allows you to draw something or add some colors to an image. And this touch-up tools can be used to remove blemishes. And finally, you can change the foreground and background colors of your image here. In GIMP, you can easily adjust the brightness and contrast of an image by simply going to the Colors tab and then choose Brightness and Contrast. Under the Colors tab, you can also adjust the hue and saturation settings. Now, if you want to change the green color in your image to some other color, you can simply pick the green color and then change it to some other color, let's say purple. Then you can see that all the green color becomes purple in your image. And you can also use the saturate to quickly convert your image into grayscale. Okay, now in GIMP, you can always undo something or redo something by using the hotkeys Ctrl+Z or Ctrl+Y. Now if I undo, I get back the colored image. If I redo, then I get the grayscale image. So now let's work with the colored image by undoing the grayscale effect. And let's try to apply some blur filter to this building in the image. First, we have to select the building using this ellipse select tool. And then you can simply go to the Filters tab and then choose to apply Gaussian blur to the selected area. Now let's undo the blur and then try to apply the same blur filter to everything except this building. To do it, you can simply right-click on the selection and then choose to invert the selection. Now you select everything except this building, and you can apply your blur filter to the selected area. Finally, you can save your project as a GIMP file, or you can export your image using some other formats. For example, you can export your image as a JPEG file.